Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got 35 fun quiz where you'll match each sentence to the right grammar rule. Ready to test your skills? Let's dive in and see how you do. 1. She don't like apples. Correct the sentence. She doesn't like apples. Tips: use doesn't with she for negatives. 2. He go to school every day. Correct the sentence. He goes to school every day. Tips: use singular verb goes with he. 3. They is playing in the park. Correct the sentence. They are playing in the park. Tips: they takes plural verbs like are. 4. I has a dog. Correct the sentence. I have a dog. Tips: use have with I. 5. The book are on the table. Correct the sentence. The book is on the table. Tips: the book is singular, so use is. 6th. She can sings well. Correct the sentence. She can sing well. Tips: can is followed by base verb sing. 7. We was happy yesterday. Correct the sentence. We were happy yesterday. Tips: we takes plural verb were. 8. He don't know the answer. Correct the sentence. He doesn't know the answer. Tips: doesn't is the correct negative for he. 9. The cats is sleeping. Correct the sentence. The cats are sleeping. Tips: plural cats takes plural are. 10. I doesn't have any money. Correct the sentence. I don't have any money. Tips: don't is the correct form for I. 11th. They doesn't like coffee. Correct the sentence. They don't like coffee. Tips: they takes plural form don't. 12th. He are reading a book. Correct the sentence. He is reading a book. Tips: he takes singular verb is. 13. She was go to the market. Correct the sentence. She went to the market. Tips: past tense when fits correctly. 14. I have a pen, but it don't work. Correct the sentence. I have a pen, but it doesn't work. Tips, doesn't is the correct form for it. 15th. He do his homework every evening. Correct the sentence. He does his homework every evening. Tips, he takes singular verb does. 16th. There is 2 apples on the table. Correct the sentence. There are 2 apples on the table. Tips, 2 apples needs plural are. 17. She didn't went to the party. Correct the sentence. She didn't go to the party. Tips, past tense go as went. 18. He have been waiting for an hour. Correct the sentence. He has been waiting for an hour. Tips, he takes singular form has. 19. The boy run fast. Correct the sentence. The boy runs fast. Tips, boy is singular, so use runs. 20. You has done well in the exam. Correct the sentence. You have done well in the exam. Tips, you takes plural form have. 21. The child don't cries much. Correct the sentence. The child doesn't cry much. Tips, the child takes singular verb doesn't. 22. I were sleeping when you called. Correct the sentence. I was sleeping when you called. Tips, I takes past form was. 23rd. She do not wants to leave. Correct the sentence. She does not want to leave. Tips, she takes singular verb does not. 24th. They has finished the project. Correct the sentence. They have finished the project. Tips, they takes plural verb have. 25. Which is the correct form of the sentence? He don't knows the answer. He doesn't know the answer. Tips, use doesn't for singular subjects. 26. Correct the sentence? She walked to school every day. She walks to school every day. Tips, add as for third person singular in present tense. 27. Identify the correct sentence. They was late for the meeting. They were late for the meeting. Tips, replace was with were for plural subjects. 28. Correct the sentence. There is many books on the table. There are many books on the table. Tips: use are for plural nouns. 29. Choose the correct sentence. I has a dog. I have a dog. Tips: has changes to have for correct grammar. 30. Correct the sentence. We was going to the market. We were going to the market. Tips: replace was with were for plural subjects. 31. Choose the correct form. She don't like chocolate. She doesn't like chocolate. Tips: add doesn't for third person singular negatives. 32. Identify the correct sentence. The team are playing well. The team is playing well. Tips: is agrees with collective nouns in singular. 33. Which is correct? He have finished his homework. He has finished his homework. Tips: replace have with has for third person singular. 34. Correct the sentence. She has gave her book to him. She has given her book to him. Tips: use has given for present perfect tense. 35. Choose the correct tense. I will go to the store tomorrow. Future simple. Tips: will go shows an action that will happen in the future. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more grammar fun. Keep mastering English. See you in the next video.